just finished the first round of shoveling. We had about maybe like a foot of snow. This is a semi-detached house, so I did both driveways, my driveway and the neighbor's driveway, and I used the other side of the driveway to park, so that way I can do my own driveway. So the weather is extremely bad. So far we probably had about 30 to 35 centimeters of snow now, and we are expecting about like 50 centimeters of snow, and so it still continues to snow, and it will continue for the entire day, and so the snow is not going to stop anytime soon. So I'm not able to clear everything 100% yet, just manually shoveling the snow with the shovel. I don't have a snow blower or anything like that, just a manual work. So that's it for now. I'll have to wait until the storm stops, and then I don't know if there will be a round 2 of the shoveling. So that's going to be it for this one. And I get a lot of comments in the YouTube section saying that to come to Quebec, or to come to New York, or to come to Chicago, or come here, come there. Believe me, it's just as bad as here in southern Ontario, in the GTA area. The Rust Belt is just as bad, if not worse, here than it is over there, because the winters are pretty harsh here, and the city uses a ton of salt on the roads, but they haven't came yet. The plowman hasn't came to the street yet, so I'm still waiting for the plowman to come. They are going to dump a bunch of snow at the end of the driveway, so I'll have to do that soon.